I believe we are good to go. But good morning, guys. I did see this setup as well. I saw you guys was that Corey that was talking about it in the chat? I did see this on here as well, but it's kind of interesting. So it's not really clear cut right now. And here's what I will say. So this is the 1 hour time frame on ES, and to me, I'm not going to lie to you guys. What really caught my eye before this candle really obviously got where it is now, there's 5 minutes left of this hour. I actually was anticipating price to sell off and displace here on the 1 hour, and then this would act as our liquidity sweep and then reverse and kind of become the order block, right? So, and then I anticipated us coming and taking out these lows. However, the DXY is free falling right now, so yeah, that's not really in correlation with one another at the at the time being. So that was my initial thought when I looked at the market, like, again, 45 minutes to an hour ago, and things have changed since then. However, my thought hasn't really changed, that this is quite a large sell side liquidity pool down here, and I think you guys would agree with me that this looks awfully enticing. However, there is a bunch of low resistance liquidity right here. So therefore, I'm waiting to see if this is going to get taken out. We are going to wait till obviously the beginning of the hour anyway. So let's just give this some time to breathe and see if it will take this out. It would be really nice if we could take this out and then look to find a setup that we can look to target all of this sell side liquidity. I think that would be really awesome. So that's kind of what I have my eyes on right now. But yeah, as of right now, obviously it's been bullish since open. It swept the low resistance liquidity low, but it never really took out all of this. So it's kind of like a shallow liquidity run. So to me, this is just more liquidity being built up for later, and hopefully we'll be able to execute and capitalize on that. But I want to give this a little bit of a chance to breathe and see if we can't take out some of this buy side, and we'll react from there. So that's my thought process as of right now. That is what I am thinking. Just to kind of measure this up. Yeah, so that wouldn't be bad at all. That's only 2.5 handles. If we can get this entry going lower, depending on how things shape up here. The other thing that I didn't point out to you guys, just take my word for it as of right now. I want to wait and see. I don't want to get away from these candles because I want to see how they form. But there is a few opening range gaps lower as well that are just, there's all kinds of reasons for us to head lower. We just need to wait for the setup to bring us there. So we shall be ready. But if you wanted to be like super picky, and maybe we'll end up getting this, we'll see. The actual market structure shift on this wouldn't really be till down here. Why? Because it's the last down move before the parent swing that put in a new high and grabbed liquidity. But you guys can see this is, quite the distance. That's why I said I wanted to see some structure form. Like if this just came up and then just started coming right back down, it would look a lot different. And then it would be a lot more difficult for us to get our stop above the high for that type of protection. But yeah, so until we really start seeing some displacing price action down, the bias still has to remain bullish as of right now. Like you would kind of anticipate, until proven otherwise, that these gaps will all hold. Ooh, okay, so we have taken these levels now on NQ. There's that buy side there. We'll see if ES wants to make one more little push up. Grab this buy side here, market structure shift displace. That would be ideal. The more you kind of realize that you're not in control and just accept that, and then try to act in accordance, I feel like the better off you're going to be. But we are getting some displacement, market structure shift. Boom! Let's get ready to get short. If you're 5'9" like me, you're already short. But if not, you're about to be. All right, so let's be patient. Worst case scenario is we miss out, but it's not often, guys, that it doesn't give you a pullback into here. That'll kind of just be unfortunate if price just rips down. I'm actually going to set a sell limit right here, 44.28. Boom. Sell limit, 3.5 handle stop. I'm going to be closing this earlier, guys. I just have it set for 40 ticks. Sell limit. Perfect. I'm going to move this up to 600. Because that's... I need like 570 something to pass. So I'm just going to do 600. And then, yeah, guys, TP1's going to be 5 handles. I'm going to market execute on MetaTrader. I might get a little bit better entry, maybe even perhaps. And 5 handle TP1. TP2 right here at this low. If you want to TP with me here, feel free. It's up to you. It's only 6 handles, though. I think 44.28. Yeah. So we need 23. This is TP1 right here. This is a great trade, though, guys. 10 out of 10. Take it every time. Oh, bro, are you serious? Don't you even dare. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I was waiting for it to say I was triggered in. I was going to click sell. Give me one more push, bro. Don't. Oh, my. Bro, I'll throw this laptop. I'm not going to throw my laptop. I like to be animated. Let me have some fun. Fuck. Bro, you have no idea how much this will hurt if that happens. There we go. Okay. We're now in this order block. It might want to come up here. I mean, it really could come all the way up here to this consequent encroachment. That would suck. It'd not be as fun for us, but... just annotate it, so if it does come up there, you guys understand why. Like, if we get a reaction out of there, we'll see why. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully not. Gap hasn't fully been closed yet, but this is, I mean, it's pretty much fully closed. What is that, 1 tick, maybe? But, yeah, guys, we're in it to win it. It's in the market's hands now. We have to accept our fate, but this is a trade that I would take 10 out of 10 times. I mean, it's got every confirmation you could ask for. We swept higher time frame buy side. We swept lower time frame buy side. We got a market structure shift, displacement, fair value gap. If you don't take this trade, you don't trade smart money concepts. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, not looking good. Yeah, I got stopped out. I closed on MetaTrader. Well, shit. Again, kind of same thing, though. Would hope to see that we get displacement in alignment with this order block here. And in that scenario, stop would go above this high, looking at 3 handles. So both trades relatively, depending if you did the static stop loss, might be look a little different, but otherwise not like a full risk, quote unquote. Market is starting to get a little gross on us, not gonna lie. I would just do, I'm gonna do like a 3 handle stop. I'm gonna get us above the bodies by a tick. I don't really like these little equal highs that have formed here on the 2 minute. But I do still like this trade. I really like the trade, to be honest. Would have liked to had a little bit better of a gap form for us, like on the 1 minute. This little volume imbalance is tripping me out a little bit. AKA meaning I think it could stop us from getting up to that gap. But yeah, this is the move for me right now. There we go. All right, sweet. I'm in, guys. Last trade of the day. In it to win it. Whatever happens, happens. TP won 5 points. And TP2 for me is going to be probably just right around here at this order block. I don't need the full 10 handles. It'll be like 9.5. But I'm in. It's reacting a little bit better than the last trade, huh? So, yeah, guys. I'm going to keep this low marked. But this would have been, obviously, our TP from before. If you want to hold for TP1 here, you can. I'll leave that up to you. But this is obviously 5 handles. So manage your account the way that you want to manage your account. I know that everybody manages it a little bit different. If you want a partial here at TP1, I plan to on MetaTrader. And I'm planning to roll stops to break even. Oh, wow. Look at NQ. Selling off. A little bit nicer. Motherfucker. I know, it's not as fun when it does this. Don't worry, I won't say nothing because I know you guys only like having fun when we're in blue. God's told me TP2 will be hit. Yeah, I had a dream last night that we hit full TP today. 42.28 has been met. That's our entry. Yeah, that monthly, well, I guess weekly time frame buy side objective was met yesterday, and it was met overnight, but we were looking to target it yesterday. So, yeah, all reasons I believe, even if this loses, guys, I'm not gonna lie, we're more than justified in these sells. So. Just don't take it personally. Don't take it to heart. Don't get all heartbroken if we lose. Like, it is what it is. It's part of trading. You know? And sometimes the TikTok trolls are going to get some. That's just, that's how it goes sometimes. The internet is undefeated. Oh. Stopped, yeah. I'm about to be stopped. I just want to see if this high gets taken. Make me feel better if it did. Yeah, I don't know. That sucks. I was wrong. 0 for 2 today. I am no longer less than 1%. I'm a little over 1% now from passing this top step. That is unfortunate. TikTok trolls are going to love it today. Good for them. Good for them. But, yeah, guys, I got nothing else to say. I'm not trading PM session. We were clearly wrong. And we've got FOMC economic projections during the hour that we would trade anyway. So, and leading up to it, I don't think it makes sense to be trying to do much, if I'm being honest. So, I believe that is going to be it. And it's looking like this high is holding as of right now. But hoping for our mental sake, that does get taken out. Because that would be the only thing that would be insult to injury at this point, would be if price comes here and tanks. But it is what it is. Not going to chase it. Not going to force anything. I do want you guys to not revenge trade. Whatever you lost today, we're going to make it back. As long as you didn't full port your account, you should be good, which you shouldn't have done that anyway. And, yeah, it's all going to be good, man. So have an amazing Wednesday. I will talk to you guys soon. If you guys need anything, reach out or drop some in the Discord. I'll be on my phone and around, so if you guys need me, just let me know. But yeah, AI News didn't do its thing today. It's all good. But I appreciate you guys. I will talk to you guys on the call tomorrow, okay? Peace out.